Have you ever noticed the difference between holding life and moving with it? We spend so much time gripping moments, gripping emotions, gripping ideas of who we should be, as if holding tighter will make life safer. But life is not asking to be held. Life is asking to be felt. Pause here. Let the body hear these words. Notice where you are holding right now. The jaw, the shoulders, the chest, the breath, without trying to change anything. Just notice the effort. Holding feels like protection, but often it is fear in disguise. Fear of losing happiness, fear of feeling pain, fear of becoming someone unfamiliar. And so we cling to labels, to stories, to versions of ourselves that once made sense. Bring awareness to the breath, not as something to control, but as something to follow. The breath does not hold itself. It moves. It comes. It leaves. And still, life continues. Let that truth land. Notice this moment. It is already complete. Without your effort, sounds arrive and fade. Sensations shift and change. Nothing is frozen. Nothing is fixed. And yet you are here, aware. We often believe that if we stop holding, everything will fall apart. But look closely. Life has always been moving. Even in your hardest moments, time continued. Breath continued. You survived not by holding on, but by allowing life to carry you forward. Now gently turn toward what you feel. If there is happiness, let it be happiness without asking it to stay. If there is sadness, let it be sadness without asking it to leave. The happy moments are you. The heavy moments are also you. But neither is all of you. You are not an emotion. You are not a thought. You are not a moment in time. You are the space that experiences them all. Like the sky watching clouds move through. Some light, some dark. The sky does not cling. The sky does not resist. It allows. Feel what happens when you stop tightening around experience. When you stop fixing. When you stop naming. There is relief in not needing this moment to be anything else. Life does not ask you to figure it out. Life asks you to show up. As you breathe in, silently say, I allow. As you breathe out, whisper inwardly, I release. No force, no holding, just presence. When you are ready, feel the ground beneath you. Feel the breath within you. Carry this knowing with you, not as something to hold onto, but as a softness to return to. Life does not need your grip. It needs your presence.